Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at how we export the management tree. First of all, we need to format the USB stick to receive the new management tree. Then we need to check the management tree in the software to make sure it is up to date. And then we'll look at how we export it. Okay, so now we are ready to export our management tree out to the USB stick in good time for harvest. The first thing that we want to do is have a good look down the management tree to make sure that we've got no capital fields in capital letters or duplicates, and they're all clearly labelled, and so the operator will know exactly which field they have to go to, and there's no confusion with that. So the management tree here looks pretty good. More than happy with that. So I will then go to the button along the top that says Write Job Data. I will select that, and then I will select the monitor that I need to send the card to. The file location will be my USB stick. If, however, you have more than 2 monitors, what you can do is export it to your desktop and then copy and paste it onto all the USB sticks that you need to send out to the combine, so they've all got exactly the same management tree on them, and there's no confusion and no messing around that way. So that's one way of doing it, rather than having to put new memory sticks in and then do the export process each time. You are able to send it to the desktop and copy and paste it onto the USB stick from there. But in this instance, I've only got one monitor, and so I only need to create one USB stick. I'll have formatted the USB stick before I put this start the exporting process, so I know that my USB stick is clear. So I will click OK. And so the file location is G. On my resource list, I will put all my growers. If I'm not going to harvest for sort of Philip Oppenheim, for example, or Whitaker, I can delete those or untick them. I don't need to have those in. Only the growers that you're going to be doing some harvesting for. And then I will just check options to make sure that I've got the field boundaries and guidance lines exported, and the inputs, they will be ticked as well, but we don't need to worry about the inputs in this case, because all we're wanting to do is just export our field names out, but they come as default, so I tend to leave them in. We click OK. And then OK again, and the export process is pretty swift, and we are now writing the job data out to the monitor. And you'll see not responding. That is purely down to my computer speed and writing directly to the USB stick. And because my computer's slow, it does say not responding. No need to worry about it. It is working perfectly OK. So we'll click OK. Then I'll have a look at my USB stick, and there we go. There is the file, the exported file from the software. Now that is ready to go out to the monitor. Before we put the stick into the monitor, though, we need to make sure that we clean the monitor off of all the data, so there's nothing on it, and it is a totally clean monitor. Otherwise we'll get duplications if we've made any changes to our management tree.